This is going to be a how-to video. I am going to be tufting my headboard here. You see, I'm going to try attempt at tufting my headboard. Hopefully this works out because I would hate to mess up my beautiful brown headboard. So let's see how this goes.
I've been thugging saying fuck it, never overwhelmed. They used to trade on me by daily, but I took them back. That shit was crazy how they faked it till I took a stand.
Y'all are going to have to excuse me. I had on my pajamas and I was about to record. So I put on shorts on top of my pajamas and my tank top keeps falling down the top and rising up at the bottom. So I have on two pairs of pants, my tank top took in my shorts, which is why I'm looking like someone's grandmother. So just ignore my wretched sloppiness and enjoy the tufted headboard. The first step of the process is to use the adhesive spray to spray down the headboard and then stick the mattress foam on top. I learned that I had to go section by section. I couldn't just spray the entire board and go. So spray it down really good and then give it a good rub, make sure it sticks, and then continue to move on. And I did 2 layers of memory foam because I wanted my headboard to be extra plush.
Wonder why my luck is never stuck, it keep on switching. Baby, I just wanted you until I lost the feeling. I feel the difference in your appearance, got me really thinking. I've been peeping that no one is gonna be here for me. I was feeling for the run up, put my brains to sleep. But I keep grinding, catch me shining like I'm Mr. Clean. I'm smoking highly, got me vibing, I can't feel no pain. Whoever did me wrong, I swear to God, they gon' regret. My nigga called me about them peas, I said that that's a bet. I got them shooters on the roof, you know that they a vet. I bet this 40, but your brain just with a little click. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's so saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, there's no saving me. No saving me, it's no saving me. It's no saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. And man, I pop just like I'm making tea. Love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me. Yeah, and we keep it all there, you know. She has some faith in me. You know, man, she has some faith in me. I love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me.
That shit on TNT.
Let me turn that beat up. Yeah.
So step 2 is to take the batting and to wrap it up on top of the memory foam and to pull it. Obviously, as you can see, I did not get enough batting. I wanted my headboard to be from both sides and the front, but the batting that I got was not enough. So don't be cheap like me. Purchase the extra, it's not that expensive. Try to get it twice as long as your headboard, that way you will have extra to go around.
Chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's no saving me. I'm in the kitchen with a pot just like I'm making tea. I love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me.
When it's time to staple gun the batting down, make sure you pull it tight and firmly so that it stretches as much as possible to where it's not ripping but it's covering and the elasticity is at its maximum stretch, and then staple it down. I forgot to record the back side of the bed so that you can see the way I folded it so there where it will crease. But just make sure you pull it tight, hold down one end and then wrap the corner or the sides around it and you will have that perfect crease.
How the fuck you be the victim? Just thinking to myself like how the fuck you build up envy. Wonder why my luck is never stuck, it keep on switching. Baby, I just wanted you until I lost the feeling. I feel the difference in your appearance, got me really thinking. I've been peeping that no one is gonna be here for me.
I know, I keep cutting off my cousin's amazing song, but I want to point out, you can see right here where there's so much memory foam not in the batting. There's a good thing no screws went there. But try to make sure your bedding covers all of your memory foam. But in the end, I'm going to end up cutting off the foam anyway. Step 3 is to lay your fabric. Obviously, I'm a little upset. The fabric that I ordered was not this color. It was a deeper gray. This kind of looks beige on camera. So Walmart set me up for the fail. Also, I ordered 2, so that way it would be twice in length. I could hot glue it together and double it, so that way it could cover the back and the front. When I opened up the package, there was only 1 in there. Walmart better be lucky. It only costs $2.94 per piece of fabric, or we would have had a problem.
Play that shit on TNT. Let me turn that beat up. Yeah.
I've been feeling like my heart been left up in the jam. I've been thugging, saying fuck it, never overwhelmed. They used to trade on me by daily, but I took them back. That shit was crazy how they faked it till I took a stand. Now I see that you feeling some type of way by me. I never opened my eyes except you snaking me. I helped you get your car, you cranked it, now we racing it.
So for the fabric, when you're stapling it down, make sure you pull it firmly from the top. Well, you actually make sure you lay it down straight first, and then pull it firmly to staple it. And then from the bottom, you should pull a little extra tighter, so that way your fabric will be tight, and your screws will go in tighter as well. Also, too, on the sides, you're gonna have to tuck that in, and the way you fold it on the back is gonna make the ending effect way much better.
If you ever turn your back on me, you never was my bro, nigga. I'ma keep it real and keep it gutter to the bone. How the fuck you say you love me and you left me all alone? Ayy, I ain't really tripping about none of this shit, just keeping my distance. Reminiscing about all the time trying to get to these benches. All that diss in the internet, you can really miss me. I put you in position, how the fuck you be the victim?
Wash my face. Here, I'm irritated. My fabric, only half of it showed up. I did not have enough bedding, so I had to do a lot of trimming to get off. And it is extremely hard to cut off memory foam once it is adhered to your headboard. So be sure you have enough bedding and fabric before you start.
Whoever did me wrong, I swear to God, they gon' regret. My nigga called me about them peas, I said that that's a bet. I got them shooters on the roof, you know that they a vet. I bet this 40, but your brain just with a little click. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's so saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, there's no saving me. No saving me, it's no saving me. It's no saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. Man, I pop just like I'm making tea. Love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me. Yeah, and we keep it all there, you know. She has some faith in me, you know, man. She has some faith in me. I love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me.
TNT. Let me turn that beat up. Yeah.
I've been feeling like my heart been left up in the jam. I've been thugging, saying fuck it, never overwhelmed. They used to trade on me by daily, but I took them back. That shit was crazy how they faked it till I took a stand. Now I see that you feeling some type of way by me. I never opened my eyes except you snaking me. I helped you get your car, you cranked it, now we racing it. Kevin had told me I was hating on some crazy shit. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood of chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's no saving me. I'm in the kitchen with a pot just like I'm making tea. I love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me. But I shook back.
Okay, step 4 is to do your measurements. What I did, I ordered a 50 piece, I want to say, of diamond bed decorative jewels. I don't know what it was called. I have it in the description box below. But I went through to measure out how long my headboard was, and then I went from the middle, made a tick mark, and from that I determined how many I wanted on each row. I think I ended up with 7 on the top row, 6 in the middle, and 7 on the bottom. I think I used 23, 25, I don't know. But I eventually got tired of the measuring tape, so I started to wing it. Which, once I finish placing my screws, you will see winging it is not the best idea. On my bottom row, one of my screws is a little off from the rest of them. And also, there's a bigger gap between my first and second row than it is between my second and third row. But it's not shown when my mattress goes on, so I guess it does not matter.
I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's no saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's no saving me. No saving me, it's no saving me. It's no saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. Just like I'm making tea. Love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me. Yeah, and we keep it all there. You know, she has some faith in me. You know, man, she has some faith in me. I love that girl with all my heart, she has some faith in me.
TNT.
So this is right here is just showing you the screws and the washers. I think I have wood screws, and the purpose of the washer is just to make sure that your fabric does not snag and rip, and that it goes through effortlessly. And it also helps when you're ready to super glue. And you see, I was not paying attention and it got away from me, but it's okay. Make sure you're screwing in tight enough so that way it leaves the impression in the board and you have that line effect that you want.
Some type of way by me. I never open my eyes except you snaking me. I helped you get your car, you cranked it, now we racing it. Kevin had told me I was hating on some crazy shit. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stutter chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's no saving me. I'm in the kitchen with a pot.
So your last step is to use a hot glue gun, or you can use super glue if you would like. I use hot glue. Oh my God, my back. Whew. I basically just put hot glue around the diamonds and then push them down really firmly until I feel like they were stuck.
If you ever turn your back on me, you never was my bro, nigga. I'ma keep it real and keep it gutter to the bone. How the fuck you say you love me and you left me all alone? Ayy, I ain't really tripping about none of this shit, just keeping my distance. Reminiscing about all the time trying to get to these binges. All that dissing the internet, you can really miss me. I put you in position, how the fuck you be the victim? Just thinking to myself like how the fuck you build up envy. Wonder why my luck is never stuck, it keep on switching. Baby, I just wanted you until I lost the feeling. I feel the difference in your appearance, got me really thinking. I've been peeping that no one is gonna be here for me. I was feeling for the run up, put my brains to sleep. But I keep grinding, catch me shining like I'm Mr. Clean. I'm smoking highly, got me vibing, I can't feel no pain. Whoever did me wrong, I swear to God, they gon' regret. My nigga called me about them peas, I said that that's a bet. I got them shooters on the roof, you know that they a vet. I bet this 40, but your brain just with a little click. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, it's no saving me. I can't stand up, bro, bitch, stood there chasing me. I'm in the sea just so deep, there's no saving me. No saving me, it's no saving me.
Oh yeah, everything I purchased was from Walmart. I love Walmart. I just love Walmart. Also too, I just redid my bed. I felt like redoing it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if I can show you how to do something else to save you a few coins.
She has some faith in me. man. See, as a faith in me. I love that girl right on my